Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal and today we are going to be learning how to make a foundation single crochet. Now I am going to be using this in one of my upcoming patterns, and you will be needing to do a foundation single crochet. So I'm going to teach you how to do the foundation single crochet and then how to join it to an existing piece of work that you already have. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and take a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 2. Now going into the first chain that you created, the second chain from the hook, you're going to grab your yarn and pull up a loop just through that first chain. This is actually creating our chain. Do that one more time. So there's 3 steps. That's the first step and the second step. Now we've created our chain down here, and this is going to be our single crochet. So then yarn over and pull through both loops. Now you have these 2 loops right here that are part of your single crochet. So this is not what we're going to be working into next. We're going to be working into the loop right underneath it. So you're going to go into that loop, pull up a loop. That's step 1. Yarn over, pull up another loop. That is step 2. And then we'll yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's created now our second single crochet. So again, not counting these 2 top loops right here, because that's your single crochet, we're going to put our hook into this loop here on the bottom. Going through the loop, yarning over, pulling up, that's step 1. Yarning over, pulling through again, that is step 2. And then to create the single crochet, you'll yarn over and pull through both loops. So I'm going to show you a couple more times. Hopefully you guys are able to see it easily. Go through the loop on the bottom, yarn over, pull up a loop. Step 1, yarn over, pull through one more loop. That's step 2, and then yarn over and pull through both of the loops that are on your hook. And that is step 3. Back again through that bottom loop, creating our chains. 1, 2, and now our single crochet. Just like that. So your foundation single crochet should look like this. It does have a lot more stretch in it than a chain does. So some patterns are going to call for this if your chain is going to be too tight. Lots of wearables will call for this. So that's what we're creating here. Now in order to connect it to a project that you already have, what you're going to do is, as if you were starting to create your next foundation single crochet, we're going to go through that bottom loop, and then we're going to go through the top of the stitch into your project. And you'll pull up a loop. And then you'll pull through 2, just like that. And that's how you're going to connect it. And then you'll just work your way down. My pattern is going to be a half double crochet. So you could do a half double crochet there, or you work your single crochet, and you just work your stitch going down, but we have now connected it. So go ahead and rewind and double check. Go ahead and get your practice in on the foundation single crochet. And when that pattern is out, you'll know exactly how to do it. Thank you everyone for watching Jolie Knots Crochet. I will see you next time.